Welcome to the exciting world of Internet marketing for beginners. In this course, we will explore the fundamental concepts and strategies that will help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of online marketing. Whether you are a small business owner looking to expand your online presence, a marketing professional seeking to enhance your digital skills, or simply someone interested in learning more about the complexities of Internet marketing, this course is designed to provide you with a solid foundation. Throughout this course, you will learn about key topics such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, and digital advertising. You will also have the opportunity to explore case studies and real-world examples to gain practical insights into how Internet marketing strategies are implemented in various industries. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and tools necessary to develop and execute your own Internet marketing campaigns effectively. Get ready to unlock new opportunities and reach your target audience in the digital realm. Let's dive in and start your journey into the dynamic world of Internet marketing for beginners.